Hello, my name is Dr. Collan Koeppen D.C. and we're here today to go over how do you keep your energy levels where they're at and have it increase. One of the most common symptoms people report to the medical side is fatigue. Fatigue is one of the number one, if not the number one symptom. So people want to know, how do I have more energy? How do I have energy throughout my day and keep things going? Well, first of all, remember what energy is. Energy is another word for power. And one thing that I routinely do to make sure the power is in the right place, not too much, not too little, obviously you want to do corrective exercise. The most important thing is that exercise and movement unlocks energy. You have to realize that movement unlocks energy. The other thing that I find extremely important is making sure the power is on in the body. With the chiropractic principles of the power in the body that gives you energy, the nervous system is the master system that controls and coordinates your body and is responsible for energy. The other things I want to talk about are making sure you have some time to rebuild, but not too much. So you want to have enough time to rebuild, the right nutrition to rebuild, but not too much, because that slows you down.